everyone, in this video we are going to read the poem The Mystery of the Talking Fan by Maude Rubin, which is prescribed by the NCERT in your class 7 syllabus. Let me first tell you some interesting facts about the poet Maude Rubin. This poem is written by Maude Rubin, who was born in 1892 in Colorado in United States of America. She was a poet with over 100 published poems and 42 state and national awards to her name. Rubin is also the author of a book of poems titled Leaves of Laurel, which was published in 1968, and she was a contributor to Lyrics of Three Women. This was a book published in 1964 along with many other books and poem anthologies. So let's jump straight into the poem now. You can pause the video here and read it for yourself, or you can read it along with me. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. Because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor, and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. Before we begin, let us first think about the word mystery. What is a mystery? A mystery is something strange or unknown. It is something that is not known, something that has not yet been explained or understood. In this poem, the poet Maude Rubin is talking about the mystery of the talking fan. So what is this mystery? What is the unknown thing about the fan? What is the strange or unknown thing that the poet wants to find out? Let's see. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. So the poem opens up with the personification of the fan. The fan is being called a talking fan. It means that it is being given human attributes or human qualities such as the ability to talk and chatter. The poet calls the fan's noise as an electrical chatter. This means that the fan is making some electrical noises which the poet is very curious about. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. I is the poet in these lines. The poet is unable to hear and understand what the fan is saying. It is an electrical sort of a noise which is hard for her to understand and to make out. Because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor. So before the poet could succeed in decoding the mystery, before she could understand what it said, somebody oiled its little rotating motor. Oiling is done to make the machine parts run smoothly. So somebody put a little oil in the noisy little motor of this fan to help it run smoothly. And all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. This oiling spoiled the whole mystery of the talking fan because it produced no more sounds. Ever since, it has functioned in such a smooth manner, in such a still manner, that no noise could be heard. The talking fan, therefore, is silent now. So that was the poem. Let's take a quick look at the summary. The poem discusses the movement of a ceiling fan. The sounds produced by the friction of the mechanical parts of the fan are compared to human chatter. The poet is unable to understand or comprehend this chatter, and this creates a mystery in her mind. She personifies the fan and tries to understand its conversation. She tries to find out what it is trying to say. She refers to the fan as he and is amused with the idea that this fan can talk just like human beings. She further adds that it is not fruitful either trying to understand and interpret the sound of the fan because somebody might oil it while servicing it. And this oiling makes the sound go away and the poet's mystery remains unsolved. So we are now at the end of this video. Here's the list of some difficult words and their meanings from the poem which you can have a look at.